Hi, Oakley here. And today's problem is from a class I had the other day. And a delegate he works for a Formula One team, and the cylinders that they use with compressed air when they're actually servicing the vehicles, they have an inspection, and the inspection lasts between 1 and 5 years depending on the country of the race. So what we have here is we have China, for example, has 1 year of inspection on the cylinder, and most others have 5 years. So here what I've done is I've put in the item number for the cylinder and the date it was last inspected, and then here I've worked out for China, where there's 1 year, it is this last inspection plus 1 on the year component. Now what this does is it means it's exactly 1 calendar year later rather than 365 days later. So it is 100% on the 1 calendar year. This one is similar, and it does it on a 5-year increment. And this is for most others. What we have here is we have a formula that works out when the race is for that particular country and the inspection. So the inspection for this one is 5 years. What I've got is I've got a different formula here because this one is China, so they fall into the 1 year category. In addition to that, underneath the formatting is conditional formatting. So here we go to look at the conditional formatting, and the conditional formatting works out again, if it is China, then it's working it out based upon this inspection date. Otherwise it's giving it based on this inspection date, and it's comparing that to the date of the race. Okay, so what this tells you is the number of days left on the cylinder's certificate on the day of the race, and in China obviously they're different, and in the background you've got some color coding to make it a little bit more visual. Okay, that's all I've got for you. I hope it's been useful, and once more thank you for listening.